regression therapy originate? Really, we can trace this to Freud in a way because he was the first one to write about the affect bridge. The affect bridge is, and Freud said, if we find the negative emotions and follow them back to cause, what happens is the symptomology typically disappears.
Okay.
Now, he was working without hypnosis because everybody who is a hypnotist, or at least has heard us teach, knows Freud was a crap hypnotist. And that's a technical term. He wasn't good at this stuff, but Breuer in his town was. But Freud found the affect bridge. He found that you could use the negative emotions and take them right back to the first time you felt them. Of course, hypnosis makes that easy.
It's kind of an interesting thing to consider for anyone who is listening here who isn't a hypnotist and doesn't necessarily want to learn hypnosis. Usually maybe you're listening to our podcast for the personal growth stuff or just the wacky, zany humor. But outside of the context of hypnosis, so you're saying Freud was using the affect bridge maybe in a conscious format. Like, well, when do you remember the first time feeling this way or whatever? Just normal discussion.
And he might have gotten a trance just from the reverie of discussing this.
Well, you get in trance automatic all the time.
Wide awake now.
Right?
Did you say automatical?
Automatic all the time,
okay.
I said.
I thought it was
that you're
huge
going to get a trance simply by, asking questions about some past experience that involved emotions.
Trance occurs naturally in therapeutic settings all the time. They're not necessarily the trances you want, and unskilled therapists will not utilize those trances, and that will be problematic as well.
So